Alright, boys and girls, this is today's IXL. This is O.16 transversals of parallel lines, main angle pairs. So this is where you're going to have to need to know your information about corresponding angles, alternative exterior angles, interior, alternate angles, all that. So I'm going to do some example problems for you. And if you were in my Zoom meeting that was yesterday, I went over some of these terms. So it's which angles are corresponding angles. So now, corresponding angles are going to be the angles that look like this. So they're going to be like every other. Like these two are corresponding, these two are corresponding, and let me change my color here. These two are corresponding, as well as these two are corresponding. Okay? So that's how they work. So I'm now going to look here, RSQ, which is right here, and it says RSV. RSV. Those two are not corresponding because they don't have the same color like I just had. Now we're going to look at RSQ and UVX. So here's RSQ and UVX. Well, RSQ is the pink angle. UVX is a blue angle, so that doesn't work either. Now we're going to try RSQ and WVX. RSQ and WVX. Again, pink, blue does not work. We want the same color. So RSQ, UVS, UVS. Perfect, finally. So do you see that? RSQ, UVS. See how they both have the pink dot there where their angle should be? So I go through all four of them, but I finally found the right answer. So remember, you're going to have notes with this. Use the notes. Use those guided notes to help you with the definition of your angles. Okay? So here's another one. Which angles are alternate exterior angles? Now, exterior means on the outside. Alternate means every other. Well, what I mean by opposite side. So like these two are on the opposite side and they're on the outside, so they're equal. And also, this angle here is equal to that angle because they're exterior and they're on the opposite side. So you're going to look here, SRT, so I'm on this one, and then NOM. NOM. Oh, they both fall within, watch what, so that's SRT and then NOM. Now, if you look inside that their angle, they both have that pink dot. So right away, I found my right answer. Sometimes it's going to be that quick. Other times it won't be. Okay, now they're asking for supplementary angles. Now, supplementary, that's where you take two angles and you add them together, they're going to equal 180. So like these two angles, if I add these together, they're going to be 180. All right, now if I add these two together, they're going to be 180 and so forth. Okay, so technically I could just dot all these and you just kind of have to just follow me on this one. So I'm going to do my first one, STQ. So this angle here, and they're going to add it with UTQ. They're saying if I add these two together, I'm going to get 180. Yeah, let me see here. All right, so that's a possibility. Let me just check one more. Then we have STQ, and then we have PQO. Now, see that those two, that would be the same angle. So it's definitely going to be this first one here. Okay. All right. Vertical angles, those are very easy. Those are the ones where basically it's an X, and if you look straight up, it can be the same angles. If you look left to right, same angle. So kind of like this, those two are the same. These two are the same. Okay, like these two are the same. And these two are the same. All right, so we can look here, UTV, so UTV and STV, STV. No, they're not the same, so that one's out. All right, then we have UTV and UTQ. Nope, that's out. So UTV again, this one here, and STQ. STQ. They both have the green dot, so that's it. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to do a part 2 to this because I want to see what happens when they get harder.